this is this thing. So it starts with this. That's your verse. So it's 4/5, 4/5. Oh, let's just say 5/4, 5/4. But you have your 4th and your 5 on the 2nd and 1st string. And then just 5/5. It goes through that whole thing and then. Let me show you that little thing. So we got the chorus is an A major to D major. You can do that on the 5th fret, 6th string, 5th fret of the 4th string. Or 5th. Did I say that right? You get the idea. Then F sharp to fret 2. And then we have this little riff, which is a little different from what they have on most tab websites. So let me show you that. So we got the 4th fret of the 3rd string. And we just kind of bend that up. We do 4/5, 4/5, 4. And then it goes to the 7 of the string above that. And then 4. And then down to the 7 of the next string. So it's 7/5, 7/5. Or 4/5, 4/5, 7, 4, 7. And that lands you into the A chord. So that's the 5th of the A. So and they screwed it up. It's on the acoustic guitar. Give me a break. Yeah, the tune acoustic guitar. And then it walks down to G and F sharp for that tag ending. So it's 5th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret. And it goes back to your thing. Yeah, go get them. Have fun. Play some Spacehog if you would.